This is like a really old dead tree. It's not growing at all anymore. We were gonna trim the branches, which we should have done that first before I made this bed, but oh well. We'll get to that when we get to that. So we made this little thing here. I have my Jackby Little pumpkins there, and I planted the rest of my marigold seeds to help with the pests, which we haven't had that many so far. I think the flowers that we've had have been helping to deter a lot of annoying bugs. So far, we have a citronella plant that's gotten pretty big with some mosquitoes, and not much, but something, so there's that. Then I had this big, this is a Jackby Little, that's gotten pretty big. I have some butterfly pea flowers in there. They're going to start climbing up this cage here. And I think it's going to rain. So I think I'm going to end it here, and I'll probably get back to work later.